Hey, how's it going, everyone? In this video, I wanted to share a quick workaround that I found recently when it comes to applying for jobs on Workday. So for those of you who are familiar with Workday, you know that it can be a burden to have to keep up with a bunch of different emails and passwords. You know that when you go and apply for company X, and use a specific email and password for that job, and then go over to another company, company Y, and try to use that same email and password, it won't allow you to do it because Workday keeps these isolated. Okay? And there is a workaround for this, and this is what I found. And there's a few ways that you can do this, but I'm going to show you my way first. So when you run into a situation where the company that you're applying for uses the Workday platform, first thing I would recommend that you do is go to a temporary email service like this. I use temp-mail.org. There's other services like this online. This is just the one I prefer. You'll copy the email that it gives you to your clipboard, and you'll create that account through Workday using that email and the password of your choice. You go through the application process, you complete it, and then once you're done, if you'll go here to the settings and click change email, it'll give you an option to change the email that you had. So, you go from that temporary email to the email of your choice. And this way, what it does is when you provide that email, it'll send you a confirmation or a verification link. You'll click on that, and it's done. So you'll be able to use that same email address for every company that you apply for if you do it this way. Super helpful, and less of a burden to have to keep up with a bunch of different emails and passwords. Now, if I could add one thing to that to make it unique, if you want to, you could use the same email address, but use a different password for each. And look at it this way. If you end up running into an issue where you forgot the password for a company that you applied for, you're using the same email, so it's going to go straight to that. So it's not a problem. So another way that you could probably accomplish this, and I haven't tried this, so keep this in mind, is you could probably do something like a Gmail alias. So it would look something like, you go to a company and apply for them, and you would use Cole Young plus company name at gmail.com, unique password, finish the application. You go to a different company and apply. You're basically applying with the same email address. It's just an alias. But in this instance, for a different company, you'd say Cole Young plus different company name at gmail.com, unique password, and there you go. And that works. I know that there are services like Simple Login that allow you to create email aliases as well. I know that's super secure and probably works, but I think that there's some limitations to that, and that's why I prefer this method. But hopefully that helps. I know that for any job seeker out there, I know that a lot of times when you hear the word Workday, it comes with a lot of different emotions, and I'm hoping that this will make it easier for you now, knowing that you don't have to create separate emails and passwords for this. So anyway, I hope that helps, and I guess I will see you in the next video.